Welcome to the scenic countryside of Somerset, where the Dundas Aqueduct and Brassknocker Basin stand as lasting symbols of England's rich industrial heritage and natural beauty. These two sites, part of the historic Kennet and Avon Canal, offer visitors a unique blend of history, engineering marvels, and serene landscape. Whether you're a history enthusiast, a nature lover, or simply looking for a peaceful retreat, these sites provide a memorable day out in the heart of Somerset. As you walk across it, you'll enjoy stunning views of the Avon Valley, a peaceful expanse of green fields and woodlands. The canal itself has become a haven for wildlife. The Dundas Aqueduct, constructed between 1797 and 1801, is a masterpiece of Georgian engineering. Designed by the renowned engineer John Rennie, the aqueduct carries the Kennet and Avon Canal high above the River Avon on three elegant arches. The name Dundas honors Charles Dundas, the first chairman of the Kennet and Avon Canal Company, who played a crucial role in the canal's development. Constructed from locally sourced Bath stone, the aqueduct is not only an impressive feat of engineering but also a beautiful structure, perfectly integrated into the surrounding landscape. Why was Dundas Aqueduct built? The aqueduct was constructed to create a continuous waterway between Bristol and London. Specifically, the aqueduct was built to allow the canal to cross the River Avon at a point near the junction with the Somerset Coal Canal, facilitating the transportation of coal, building materials, and other goods. It was a critical piece of infrastructure for reducing transportation costs and boosting trade during the Industrial Revolution. Was it profitable? Initially, the aqueduct and the Kennet and Avon Canal were profitable due to their strategic location, facilitating the movement of coal and other goods between London and Bristol. By the 1820s, the canal was handling over 100,000 tons of coal per year from the Somerset Coal Canal. However, with the advent of the railway system in the mid-19th century, the canal's importance and profitability declined, as rail was faster and more efficient for goods transportation. The Somerset Coal Canal ceased operations due to competition from the Great Western Railway and geological issues, such as water loss. Over time, parts of the canal became derelict, including the southern branch of the Somerset Coal Canal, which was abandoned in 1898. The aqueduct, while still standing, saw reduced maintenance. How was the restoration project financed? The restoration of the Dundas Aqueduct began in the 20th century after decades of neglect. The Canal and River Trust, formerly British Waterways, and local organizations funded and oversaw the restoration, with a particular focus on Brassknocker Basin at the Somerset Coal Canal's junction. The restoration was financed through a combination of government grants, donations, and fundraising efforts from local preservation societies, including the Somersetshire Coal Canal Society. There's an interesting statement on this board. John Rennie, chief architect and engineer of the Kennet and Avon Canal, KNA, wanted to use brick, fearing that bath stone wasn't up to the job and was too expensive. Company proprietors, keen to ensure local quarry owners felt obliged to transport their goods on the KNA, overruled him. Was it the right decision? Leaks and cracks appeared in the stone. The damaged areas were repaired with blue brick by the Great Western Railway Company. In 2002, a grant from the National Lottery Heritage Fund enabled most of the bricks to be replaced with Bath limestone. See if you can spot the bricks left behind as an example of historic repairs. How can society benefit from the structures? The restoration of the aqueduct and basin provides both historical and recreational benefits. It serves as a symbol of Britain's industrial heritage while promoting tourism, walking, boating, and wildlife conservation. The canal and aqueduct also function as educational sites, allowing visitors to learn about Georgian engineering and the history of canal transport. While tourism brings economic benefits, over-tourism can potentially cause damage to the historic structure and the surrounding natural environment. The challenge lies in balancing visitor numbers with preservation. Sustainable tourism practices can be achieved by promoting responsible behavior and ensuring that facilities like parking and pathways are well maintained. Supporting the Canal and River Trust is an excellent way to help maintain the site. Let us head to Brassknocker Basin, just a short walk from here. This basin is the junction between the Kennet and Avon Canal and the remains of the Somerset Coal Canal. Though much of the Coal Canal has been abandoned, the stretch at Brassknocker Basin has been lovingly preserved. It's now used for boat moorings, and you can even hire bikes or enjoy a relaxing visit to the cafe. It's a peaceful spot, perfect for taking in the beauty of the waterways, while enjoying coffee and cake.